Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. We're doing 10k. Who's excited for that? No one's excited for that. We had agreed on 5 km and then now we're doing 10 kilometers. And Kwancho Kanji. You guys, it's a steep hill.
You must be careful though. According to Kilimanjaro, they are saying if you are doing hiking there and you break your leg, they will leave you there to die.
Yeah. It's time to call on the Lord.
There's no way.
No, I think here people should take it slow and be very careful. We're just grateful it's going down. Imagine going up this thing.
You said you want to go down, you are going down.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm happy it's going down now. We see a 2 kilometer sign. Can I get the woohoo? What time did you start? Thanks, bye. Oh. And then I'm like, thanks, bye. It's Mpoya Nabomko.
I was guessing. I was guessing.
I did not feel nothing.
Yeah, we did not feel. 3 kilometers.
How is it 3 already? That was fast. What? So prestige. Oh, sorry. You're from 4 kilometers. Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I didn't do a proper intro because I didn't think I would vlog today, but we went hiking with some people from work. This is like you and I leading the pack, babe. We are in front of the pack. How many? Yes, how many have we done now?
4 kilometers down.
4 kilometers down.
And
We are
6
doing,
to go.
Yeah, we're doing 10 km. I think we're nearing a 5 kilometer now. So.
It's like
How are we
nothing,
feeling?
it's like water.
At first though, we were dying. At the first kilometer, we were dying. I didn't think we'd see this moment in time. But here we are, we're doing it. Oh Lord, we've been walking. We have been walking and I'm like, where's this 5k? Can't we did 2 at one go. I'm so happy. 6, baby. 6. I've been the last 6. I don't know how many we've gone now, but we finished 6. That's what I'm sure of. And this part is so, it's going up. Yeah. 0 for the views, babe. 0 for the views. It's going up again. My water is almost finished. Hebe tune. It's on. How it's measurements is 7 p.m. Don't quit now. How I'm in leg.
I'll try to put in 7 p.m.
7 freaking kilometers.
7 kilometers.
It's love. 7 down. So 3 to go.
Yeah.
Do you want to take a picture? Where's the
Yeah.
7? Let's take you a picture. We've made it to 8. Wow. And we left the team way back there. We're gonna wait for them at 9 kilometers when there's only 1 kilometer left. Woo! Is it 10.5? It's 10.5. It's not just 10.
Huh? Oh, it's not just 10. Wow.
Going up a hill again. How's it going at the back? Like you?
Hey, I'm feeling the heat. Oh.
Yeah. After 8, there's no jokes. Oh, my there's so many rocks here, I even thought we're getting lost. Go back and don't wake up, presumed. I thought it's those people. When you pause, it tells you that you paused.
Yeah, pause.
Well, so now we have 1.5 left, ne? Because I saw it's not just 10, it's 10.5. Man, the views are not beautiful, Sham.
You're my best view.
So now we left with the half near the 5. Hey guys, we just finished our 10 km right now, literally. But we didn't know it's okay. We did know, let me not lie, it's a 10.5. So now we're gonna go the 500 meters. It's very challenging, I'm not gonna lie. Hi. Out of all the hiking I've done, this one was the most challenging. One, because it's the longest I've ever done. Secondly, there's like a lot of rocks. Like we're literally going mountain climbing at this point. 10 down, a half to go.
Tottenham, if you've never walked 10 kilometers, don't ever talk to me. We're not on the same level. We're in different phases of lives.
Yeah, because when you can't do 10 km hike at a mountainous area, food.
I'm not talking about jogging, I'm not talking about riding, hiking.
Yeah.
Don't talk to me.
How are you feeling though, Chomi?
Oh.
But hiking, especially
the last 2 kilometers.
Hi.
The 8, I think we're heading to 9.
Yeah.
That one.
Hi, what are the 8? And the 8, only.
Only, bruh.
It was just rocks. The 500 guys, not place. You can hear a lot of people now. What building do you see then? Or is it because I'm tall? That's why I can't see it. We are nearing the end. We can even hear a lot of people speaking. I'm sure you're showing Chum, it's 0.5 ne?
What the hell?
Wow. I think we go this side.
Yeah.
We finally finished our hike. We just did 10.5 kilometers. Proud ourselves. Hey guys, we're done with our hike. It's already updated, but my phone is charging in the car while I was just eating muffins and drinking an energy. Otherwise, it was so good. I'm gonna film more as the time goes, but right now I want my phone to charge. Super proud of myself there. Let me wear these glasses and look fly. Do I look fly or do I look like a fly?
Now I want to sit back and relax. All of a sudden, I hear this agitating, grating voice.
I don't know if my period started or what, but I have blood coming out of my Mr. JJ and I have pain. So I think it's my period, which is so confusing because I last had my period I think on the 22nd. So today is what's the date today? This is the 2nd of August.
Yes.
I last had my last day of my period was I think the 20th or the 19th of July. So this is crazy. But I'm just sitting in the car because I don't feel comfortable, especially since I have on this very light shorts. But good thing I brought the sweaters, the sweatpants. I'm gonna change into that.
This one is juicy.
And it's hot.
Hey, bon. Just whoa. This bottle slaps.
It's just
It is your mama and your papa. Went to the fire to warm me. Microwave.
Until Bubu couldn't believe it. Oh, yeah, this one.
The fella,
But what reason try I
Cape Town in your back. Marlova Nova, one or the
yeah, but over the yeah, finalize next season. I can always say,
oh, what
hey, get on.
Love away against second. Yes.
Darling, mama, si mama sa amloso.